All right, so in this video, we are required to simplify each number and and write each in decimal point. So the first thing we need to do is, okay, for example, for this C, we can rewrite this by collecting or regrouping, not like terms per se, right? So we can write this as 5 times 3, then times 10 raised to the power minus 12, then times 10 raised to the power of 4. 5 times 3 is what? 15. Then times 10 raised to power. Now, if you look at this, they have the same base. According to the law of indices, you're going to be adding, the power. So that would be what? Raised to power minus 12 plus 4. So this will give us 15 times 10 raised to power minus 12 plus 4. That will give us minus what? 8. But this is not yet in scientific notation because basically the decimal point is here. So we can move it to the left, meaning that it will carry a positive power. So this can be written as 1.5, right, times 10 raised to power 1 times 10 raised to power minus 8. And that will give us 1.5 times 10 raised to power what? 1 minus 8. The same base, you add the power. So that will give us 1.5 times 10 raised to power minus 7. All right, so that is that about that. Now for this second one, which is D, all we just need to do is simple. We can split this to be what? 6 over 12, then times 10 raised to power 3 over 10 raised to power minus 4. 6 divided by 12 is 0.5. So this is 0.5, all right, times 10 raised to power what? 3. Now if this one is going up, that will be what? Minus 4. Somebody may say how? For example, from the law of indices, you can recall that if you have what? A raised to power n over a raised to power what? M. This can be written as a raised to power n minus m. So this is 3 minus, of course, this is minus 4 before. So minus times minus here will be plus. So we have 0.5, then times 10 raised to power 3 plus 4. And that will give us 0.5 times 10 raised to power 7. So I want to move the decimal point, to the right, right? And of course, if I move it to right, it would carry a negative power. So this one can be written as what? 5.0 times 10 raised to power minus 1 times 10 raised to power 7. So if you add the power, it will still give us 5.0 times 10 raised to the power of what? Minus 1 plus 7. And that will give us 5.0 times 10 raised to power what? 6. I want to believe this video has helped someone. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching my video. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.